If you've stubbed your toe in the middle of the night while grabbing prune juice, keep watching this video. If you've fallen down the stairs while running down your stairs at night to go and get your laundry, keep watching this video. For those of you who don't like the dark, keep watching this video. Today we'll be taking a look at the Vont Aura LED plug-in nightlight. Here's why you should buy it, or maybe why you shouldn't. Stick around for the full video review. I don't know about you, but when I was little, I was a little bit afraid of the dark, and at $13.47, this may just be the remedy that you need. There are four, count them, four LED nightlights in this package. Let's go and open them up. If you're wondering what $13.47 is divided by 4, that's $3.37 a piece. Is that right? Yes, that's right. Anyways, moving on. The Vont LED Aura, that's what they're called, plug-in nightlights, are supposed to be a smart nightlight. Now, they don't connect to your Wi-Fi, but they do have a smart dawn/dusk sensor so that they turn on at the correct time of day. Did I forget a piece of tape? Nope. Opening up the lights, oh, they have a warm white color. They operate at a frequency of 60 Hertz, which I don't know why that matters because it's light. But anyways, open up the package and boom, there they are, our four compact, in what look to be slickly designed, like, you know, trendy nightlights. Welcome to your smarter home. If you decide that after watching this video you would like to purchase these lights, you can do so via the link in the description. There's also a 10% off coupon, special for you 3411 Heaven viewers, that gets you 10% off all Vont products. Here is one nightlight, two nightlights, tearing that bag apart, three nightlights, and last but not least, the fourth nightlight, as well as a Vont VIP club. There is a warranty, good to know. But let's actually take a look at the lights. These are LEDs, and they say compared to an incandescent bulb, these are 10 times cheaper to operate. These only cost 30 cents a year to operate. Yeah. That's like nothing. You can find that on the ground. Now that we know that these are cheap to operate, let's see if they actually function. So I'm gonna take the power cord, wrap it around myself, and plug this in, and boom, it's not on. Why? Because there's a sensor in there that when it gets dark, we're gonna make it dark, the light will eventually power on after I make it dark enough. Ooh, okay, I like that. So, this may be hard to tell on camera, but when I take the fatty part of my hand and place it over the sensor, it doesn't get bright right away. If I push down harder, sealing off the light gets brighter, so it's dimmable. We can go boop, 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 boop. Anyways, that's what I mean when I say that they have a smart sensor on them. So as it's getting darker during the day and the inside of your house is getting darker and your stairs are getting darker, this light will get brighter, making it so that you don't fall down the stairs. Or at least that's the goal. Other than that, I really don't have much else to say about this product other than, I mean, there's a little bit of weight to them, fairly simplistic. I don't know what more you'd expect out of an LED nightlight, but this is one at an affordable price. I was surprised that there was no like screen or a plastic piece over the light, which I kind of enjoy. So I'm interested to see, you know, how exactly the light spreads when it's in a dark room. That said, hopefully you saw that through the B-roll that was used in this video, filmed by me. So if it sucks, you know, my fault. Again, if you'd like to purchase these lights, you can do so via the link in the description below. Use that coupon code M10Heaven to get 10% off all Vont products. And as always, folks, if you want to support the channel in a free way, you can do so by dropping a like on this video, clicking that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content, and last but not least, commenting something that you enjoyed or didn't enjoy about this video. That's all I have for today, folks. We'll see you in the next one. Bird out.